Archer, I mean, the German pilots carried those with them.
Okay, and it's a Falcon?
Falcon knife.
Falcon knife made in Germany. The man has a hard time getting it sharp. We're going to see if the block sharpener can do it. Squeeze them in there tight. When you draw through, you can only get sharper. Keep the pressure on the blade. We didn't make these to dig into the steel or change your angles. They're made to squeeze your edges together, working with the original edge. Yes, this is very hard steel, and block sharpener, we will sharpen every blade.
Sold.
Use a piece of leather when you're done.
Where you guys from? Rose City. Okay. A little bit of a haul.
Arm shaving sharp.
Oh my God.
So the drawing's going to be
Block sharpener, we will sharpen every blade.
kind of a long drive.
How's that feel, buddy?
Front to back or eight. There are events all over the state.
Did it do it?
I'm not sure where the closest one.
That is nice.
See?
I brought this here to get rid of it because every time I go out hunting, I can't.
You couldn't get it sharp.
I've got stones at home. I got rough stones.
And this did. And I'm not even done yet. This will even do every serrated knife you own. Cut holes, the best ones you got. Roll them in there. My sharpener will not chew them apart, I promise you that. But it'll take them way sharper than brand new. I'm doing heads, cleavers, all kind of crazy stuff.
What do you ask?
I'm doing these today, 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. We do offer a lifetime guarantee. We put our last name and website on the handle. Go to blocksharpener.net and all kind of videos to show you how to use them on other stuff.
Oh, $20 for that. That's right over there.
It works. It works.
I don't know what all he's got.
And they are lifetime guaranteed. That's why I put my name and website on the handle.
So, I have
Yeah, that's not my brand. That's an edge maker.
I've had those wear out.
No, it's steel.
They're cheaper pens, and without the flex, they don't work the same. I offer lifetime guarantees on my rods. My website's above my name. That's why I put it there. They are very hard to wear out. I'm using a titanium carbide pen. They rock well over 69. You draw something through there, I don't care how hard it is, you've seen it with your knife, you're going to get it sharp. It takes well over 100 different knives at random to wear one down. Whoop, grab that. Razor sharp. Anyone else carry a knife, guys? I'll show you the works. I'll do any blade you all hand me.
No,
That's another.
that's
Yeah,
mine.
carries that one. Thank you. A little case knife. This one might be too flattened out. We'll see what happens. They got to have some kind of bevel left. If they got an edge, I can get them sharp.
I can't keep an edge on this.
I just did his German knife there. Could never get an edge on. Got a real good edge on her.
The German knife is so hard. Never hard. Get it sharp.
Yeah, it's coming back too now.
That'll show you where all.
That one is wore back a little bit too much though. To get the shaving edge up, you know what I mean?
20?
Yes, sir. Haven't seen them in a long time. Pakistan?
Oh my gosh. I got that.
Yeah, I know you do in your collection. We're American made. We offer lifetime guarantees. Our name and website's on our handle. As long as you got some edge
You
left
can
on the
have
blade,
any
you should
color
be able to
you
get them
want.
sharp.
It's just color preference. You can have any color you like.
All right. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Thank you guys, appreciate it. Yeah, a couple more times there.
What's going on, man? Good, you? Raffling off at Henry. Edition 22.
That's what I wanted. Thank you, thank you. I do them 20 bucks each, 2 for 30. Do the straight in the middle.
All right. So, we do a dinner up at 7:50 right here.
Smooth edge on the outside.
You got a glow in the dark. It's a glow in the dark.
That's our new glow in the dark sharpeners. Just came out. Right here. All right, thank you.
How's it going? Wrap one off ahead.
Here, take my card.
10-minute edition 22.
I pay shipping.
So that can see it work great.
Stay with that.
Right on. Got them today, 20 each, 2 for 30. Made in America, not ding-a-donga. We'll sharpen any blade you got.